Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to start room cleaning on your DREAME X30 Ultra. In order to begin room cleaning, you will need to select room here at the top. Now select the rooms that you would like to begin cleaning. You can, let's say I want both rooms or just one of them. Let's do this one. Then I can change the amount of cycles to 1, 2, or 3 repetitions. That's great. Then you can select Clean Genius to automatically do routine cleaning or deep cleaning depending on your preference, or go to customize and change the settings yourself by going to cleaning settings. Then you can find cleaning mode to vacuum and mop after vacuuming, or custom room cleaning, which means each room can be set to a different setting of cleaning. For those modes, you can change the suction power. For the ones besides mop and mop, you can enable Max Plus to increase the suction power to the highest level. Change the mop wetness, mop washing frequency, which means after a certain area, after a certain time, or after every room, the mop will return to the station to clean the mops automatically. Then you can change the route to quick, standard, and in some modes to intensive or deep. Now tap on clean and it will begin cleaning. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.